Hello everybody, welcome to Art Kid TV. We're going to be drawing a hamster with glasses. Let's get started! Let's get started. First we're going to start with drawing a little line kind of going down in the middle of the paper. Next, we're going to start with going little upside down U's and put them on the side. Next, we're going to do the same in the inside of the U's. Next, we're going to draw its body, well, its head, by doing the same thing on each side. Next, we're gonna draw the body of it. We're just drawing a circle on here. Next, we're gonna draw feet. Like this. Draw 3 lines over here. Then repeat that on the other side. Next, 2 little circles inside of the feet. Now we want to draw a circle inside of the body. Then we draw little arms that are diagonal U's like this, and we draw it on each side. Then we draw 2 lines in the middle. Next we want it to have a mouth, so we're gonna draw a tiny little mouth. And then we do a triangle in the nose. Then we color the nose in with your Sharpies. Next,
I'm gonna color it with pink when I'm coloring.
Okay, next we want to draw little eyes. So draw little circles on each side of its head. Next, draw little circles inside of the eyes. Next, color in the outside of the eyes. Then you could use a colored marker, or you could use a Sharpie. You could use whichever black crayon you want. Next, we're gonna start by doing his glasses. So first we draw little lines over here. And we do the same on this side. And we want to make them really big. Then we do the glasses part. So first we're going to start by doing this, and then turn, then this, and then turn. Then we're gonna start by going up, do a straight line, then connect. Now we're gonna draw the inside of here. And you could color the glasses however you want. I'm gonna make them black. You could use a colored marker, or you could use a Sharpie. You could use whichever black marker you want.
I'm gonna do black, and then I'm gonna color the west another color.
Next, we want to draw little lines on the body to make it look like it's fur.
I'm not gonna add lines because to me it looks like a hairy chest.
But it's really cute. Next, we're gonna color.
Tell us in the comments below. Do you like to add fur or not?
Now we're gonna fast forward while we're coloring. At the end, when we're done coloring, you could pause the video to match our colors.
Yeah.
So we're gonna start coloring. You could add details to your hamster. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!